Welcome to Tanti's channel. No, you gotta look in the camera. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Welcome to Tanti's channel. Say, this is Segan. And Tanti is about to get some faux locks. Say faux locks. Look, say faux locks. Say faux locks. Say like this video and subscribe to Tanti's channel. Bye. So the first step in getting these faux locks is definitely the foundation. I do only plan to wear my hair either straight down or an up and down style. So my stylist did recommend that I do individual crochets in the front of my hair. So all she did was section off small pieces, and she used the Murray edge wax to go ahead and lay my edges in the front. And she did just small individual twists in the front. And then as far as the back foundation, she began to do 8 or 9 cornrows, just going straight back. That way once she began to crochet the back, it will go by very, very quick, you guys. My hair was very thick, and I think she did a good job on the cornrows. So right here, I just wanted to show you guys all of the growth and how thick my hair really is underneath my wigs and weaves. And this is basically how the foundation looked before she actually began to do my faux lock.
Latch hook through, hook, close latch, pull it through, open it up a little bit, take the hair and the lock and pull it through. Then you're gonna twist it open, opposite way, open and twist, open, twist, open a little bit, twist, open a little bit, twist. So we're gonna pull it through. We're gonna take the loose hair, pull it through. Then we're gonna loop. 1, 2. I'm gonna take one strand and pull it through like so.
Guys, so here's my stylist, Covet Sade. Make sure you follow her on Instagram. She's basically the one who sews down all my wigs. She makes my wigs and everything like that. And she was also in my hair commercial. If you did see the Southern Hair Society hair commercial, she's in that commercial as well. So she did my hair today, and it took about 5 hours. About 5 hours to do my hair. We did use the Zuri. This is the, what is this? This is the beach curl braid hair. We used about 1/3 of this pack, and I got this at my local beauty supply. So shout out to Jenny Beauty Supply. I got this for $9.99. So I used just 1/3 of that pack, that's it. because that is like a big value pack, so it's like 3 times the size. And then as far as the actual locks that I use the Model, and this is a soft faux lock, and this is in the light wavy. Both of these hairs are 18 inches and in the color 1B. And this is pretty much how they look. So they did have a nice wave pattern to it. I didn't want the straight ones simply because I feel like the straight locks look more like, they look too stiff for me. They look like you can't really style them. So but I really do enjoy this hairstyle. You can see where Sade kind of put the beads in my hair. She didn't want to put too many beads in there because I do work a corporate job, so we did kind of want to keep it somewhat conservative, but at the same time it's really not a conservative hairstyle. But I do like it. I didn't really lay down my edges or anything. I'm just going to kind of leave those for now. But she did use the Marae's edge wax, and she also used the Cream of Nature edge control on my edges, and I feel like it worked very, very well. What do you think? She said, of course it did, guys. She talks really low on camera, so it's so funny, y'all, because I'm always like, please talk loud. But yeah, so this is pretty much how my hair came out, okay? So I think the 18 inches are like the perfect length because you can honestly see that it's not too long and it won't be getting my way too much. And as far as the fullness of it, I do feel like it is very full, but at the same time, if you guys are in person with me, it's really not that big. No. And that's what I like about this hair. It looks a little big on camera, but in person, you guys, it doesn't look big at all. So here it is, y'all. It is beautiful. And Sade did this for me, and she is located in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and she is a traveling stylist, okay? So you guys should definitely hit her up if you are in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So Sade was telling me the good thing about protective styling is that you have basically low manipulation on your real hair, which is a good thing. So our hair doesn't need that stress, right? Nope. Nope. Okay. So this is a good protective hairstyle. It doesn't matter if you're permed hair, whether if you're natural hair, this is a good hairstyle for you. And it's also good vacation hair.
Yes, good vacation hair. Good vacation hair. Any protective style is good vacation hair. So if your hair is not in the way, especially if you're getting in pools, seawater, any of that such activities, you're good. Protective style is the way to go.
Yes, you guys, so this is my first time actually getting faux locks, and I absolutely do love it. I did want to try color, but once again, I do work a corporate job, can't have all that crazy stuff going on. But yeah, I absolutely love my hair. I can't wait to do more hairstyles and things like that. But as I kind of get used to this hairstyle, I will be coming back to my channel to show you guys different hairstyles that I try while having my faux locks in. But thank you so much, Sade, for doing my hair as usual and for coming to my house to do my hair, y'all, okay?
Yes.
So if you don't have a traveling stylist, you losing.
Yes. And one more thing, if you guys would like, please follow me on IG or Facebook at Covet Sade. That's COVET _ Sade, SHADA.
And I will definitely link that down below if you haven't already seen it. I probably linked it already. But thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and I'll be back with more videos. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.